Hello guys and welcome back to our channel SciTech Infographers. In the previous videos we learned about yellow fungus. In this video we go in depth about black fungus or mucormycosis. What are its causes, why and how it affect COVID-19 patient, type of fungi that causes mucormycosis, symptoms of different types of mucormycosis, what is the prevention measure and what is the treatment of mucormycosis or black fungus. So don't skip the video in between and watch it completely so that you can learn all the information about black fungus. With that said, let's start the video. Cases of black fungus or mucormycosis, a potentially serious condition that causes blurred or double vision, chest pain, and breathing difficulties, such as surged in India most commonly among COVID-19 patients. Black fungus is being detected relatively frequently among COVID-19 patients. The disease often manifests in the skin and also affect lungs and the brain. Generally, the body's defense repel the fungus and only those with severely weakened immune system, for example, organ transplant or cancer patient are affected. Mucormycosis, which is previously called zygomycosis, is serious but a rare fungal infection caused by a group of molds called mucormycocytes. These molds live throughout the environment. Mucormycosis mainly affect people who have health problems or take medicines that lower the body's ability to fight against germs and sickness. It most commonly affects the sinus or lungs after inhaling fungal spores from the air. It can also occur on the skin after a cut, burn or other type of skin injury. Mucormycosis is frequently a life-threatening infection. A review of published mucormycosis cases found an overall cause mortality rate of 54%. The mortality rate varied depending on underlying patient condition, type of fungus, and body site affected. For example, the mortality rate was 46% among people with sinus infection, 76% for pulmonary infection, and it is whooping 96% for disseminated mucormycosis. A study on black fungus involving 2010 patients found that antibiotics were used to treat 100% of these COVID-19 patients who were late to diagnose with mucormycosis. Antibiotics like azithromycin, doxycycline, and carbapenems being prescribed for COVID-19 patients in India and are known to increase the risk of fungal infection. Let us know what are all the causes of mucormycosis. Mucormycocytes, the group of fungi that causes mucormycosis, are present throughout the environment, particularly in soil and association with decaying organic matter. They are more common in soil than in air, in summer season particularly. The most people come in contact with microscopic fungal spores every day, so it is probably impossible to completely avoid coming in contact with mucormycocytes. These fungi aren't harmful to people. However, for people who have weakened immune system, breathing in mucormycocyte pores can cause the infection in the lungs or sinus, which can spread to other parts of the body. In this segment, we're gonna know about why and how it affects COVID-19 patient during or post recovery. Medicines used in treatment of COVID-19 tend to bring down the count of lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are one of the three types of white blood cells whose job is to defend our body against disease causing pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, or parasites. The reduced count of lymphocytes leads to a medical condition called lymphomia, making a way for opportunistic fungal infection in COVID-19 patient. There is a higher chance of occurrence of mucormycosis in patient whose immune system is not functioning well. And since COVID-19 treatment tends to suppress the working of the immune system, it places such patient at a higher risk of contracting with the black fungus infection. Let us know what are all the type of fungi that causes mucormycosis. Several different type of fungi can cause mucormycosis. These fungi are called mucormycocytes and belong to the scientific order Mucorales. The most common type that cause mucormycosis are Rhizophora species and Mucor species. and other example are Rhizomucor species, Leishthemia and Rhizomucor. In this segment, we're gonna know about what are all the symptoms of mucormycosis. The symptoms of mucormycosis depends on where in the body the fungus is growing. Pain and redness around the eyes and nose, fever, bleeding from the nose, nasal and sinus congestion, headache, cough, shortness of breath, vomiting of blood, altered mental status, and potential loss of vision. These are all some general symptoms. Let us go in depth and know about what are all the symptoms of different type of mucormycosis. First one is symptom of rhinocerebral, that is sinus and brain mucormycosis, which include one-sided facial swelling, headache, nasal or sinus congestion, black lesions on nasal bridge or upper inside of mouth that quickly became more severe fever. Second one is symptoms of pulmonary, that is lung mucormycosis, which include fever, cough, chest pain, shortness of breath, cutaneous. Mucormycosis can look like blisters or ulcers, and the infected area may turn black. Other symptoms include pain, warmth, excessive redness, or swelling around the wound. And the third one is symptoms of gastrointestinal mucormycosis, which include abdominal pain, nausea and vomiting, gastrointestinal bleeding. Disseminated mucormycosis typically occurs in people who are already sick from other medical conditions, so it can be difficult to know which symptoms are related to mucormycosis. Patient with disseminated infection in the brain can develop mental status changes or coma. Let us know what are all the preventive measures to be taken by COVID-19 patients. People with the following medical condition should be more careful. They should constantly monitor their health and also take the following preventive measures. Diabetic patients, steroid usage patient and COVID positive patient. All three combined together place one under high risk of getting this infection. Hence, diabetic patients should always monitor and control their blood sugar levels. Other preventive measures to be followed are cleaning and replacement of humidifier for those using oxygen concentrators. Sterile normal saline should be used in the humidifier bottle and changed it daily. Masks should be disinfected daily. And one must keep your surrounding and room clean. These are all some precautionary measures to be taken in order to prevent from black fungus or mucormycosis. Finally, what is the treatment of black fungus or mucormycosis? Mucormycosis is a serious infection and needs to be treated with prescription antifungal medicine. Usually amphotericin B, posaconazole or isavuconazole are used. All these three medicines like posaconazole, amphotericin B and isavuconazole can be given through vein or by mouth. Often mucormycosis requires surgery to cut away the infected tissues in severe condition. Hope you came to know all the information related to black fungus. If you find this video as informative, like it, share it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon in order to get more videos.